அதோட மீனிங் சொல்லிட்டேன் இல்லையா பிரியா?
போரா என்ன? சரி,
தர்மக்ஷேத்ரே குருக்ஷேத்ரே அது சொல்லிட்டேன்
ஆமாம்
இல்லையா?
ஆமாம் சொல்லியாச்சு.
அடுத்தது படிக்கிறேன்.
சரி.
திருஷ்ட்வா து பாண்டவானீகம் யூடம் துரியோதனஸ்ததா ஆச்சாரிய முபசாங்கம்ய ஆச்சாரிய முபசாங்கம்ய ராஜா வச்சனம் அப்ரவீத்.
ஓகே, அது என்ன மீனிங்?
Sanjay said, O king, after looking over the army arranged in military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words.
ஓகே.
அதாவது துரியோதனா வந்து தன்னோட இவர் டீச்சர் பீஷ்மரா சஞ்சயா சொல்றா, ஓ கிங் என்ன கேட்குறான்னு திருதராஷ்டிரட்டு சஞ்சயன் சொல்றா.
ரைட்.
O king, after looking over the army arranged in military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words. Dhritarashtra was blind from birth. Unfortunately, he was also bereft of spiritual vision. He knew very well that his sons were equally blind in the matter of religion, and he was sure that they could never reach an understanding with the Pandavas, who were all pious since birth. Still, he was doubtful about the influence of the place of pilgrimage, and Sanjaya could understand his motive in asking about the situation on the battlefield. Sanjaya wanted therefore to encourage the despondent king and thus assured him that his sons were not going to make any sort of compromise under the influence of the holy place. Sanjaya therefore informed the king that his son Duryodhana, after seeing the military force of the Pandavas, at once went to the commander-in-chief Dronacharya to inform him of the real position. Although Duryodhana is mentioned as the king, he still had to go to the commander on account of the seriousness of the situation.